Hello guys, today's dish will be one pot spaghetti. So I took like a little underneath or like 1 pound of ground beef and browned it. So when I'm making my ground beef, I always pour like a half a cup to a cup of water in the mix. So I'm gonna put my seasoning in my ground beef. I love to use steak seasoning in my ground beef because it has like several different kinds of seasoning in there. And while you're browning your ground beef, you can use whatever seasonings you want to. So since this is going to be a spaghetti, I'm going to put oregano in here and also Italian seasoning. And also an additional, I love to put onions and green bell pepper in here, but you can skip this step. So I let my ground beef cook for about 15 minutes. Don't worry about it getting all the way done because you still have to boil the pasta with it. Then I took one 24-ounce can of pasta sauce. You can use a little bit more, but this was just enough for me. Let the pasta sauce and ground beef simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes and then taste it to see if you need more seasoning. And also save about a cup and a half to the side for later. So to this, I'm going to add 2 cups of elbow macaroni, or you can use whatever pasta you have, or either spaghetti string. So I poured about 2 cups of water in here and let that boil all along with it. And then as you stirring and checking every 10 minutes, you may need to add a little more water once the noodles start drying up some. So halfway mark, I put about 2 or 3 tablespoonfuls of sugar in here. You don't have to, but for me it balances out the acidity. So here, as you saw, as the noodles were drying up, I poured in another cup of water, and then I'm going to pour the rest of my spaghetti sauce in the pot that I put to the side. Then I let it boil for about another 10 minutes until the consistency that you like for your noodles to be, and that's it. And after that, I put some shredded cheese on top, or you can just leave it plain. But I was gonna put it in the oven, but I decided not to because the kids, they was hungry. So I just put the cheese on there and put a little more Italian seasonings on there. Put a top on there, turn it real low, and let the steam just cook the, melt the cheese on top, and that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Like, share, and subscribe, and comment. And thanks for watching.